So let's go ahead and make a circuit for the servo. So the servo is actually really easy to use. So here's a servo, and then it comes with this little plastic bag of attachments for us to attach to. Here's one I chose, this little long one. Okay. So now all I need to do is just kind of gently squeeze it on top. It should fit in very nicely. Okay, the servo is ready to go. So all I need are 3 wires to be plugged into this attachment. So if we look at the red wire, so I'm going to match my wires with their wires. So I have red to red, so this is the 5-volt power. And then I'm going to use a blue wire for their ground wire. Since they're using black, I'm using blue. So I have 5 volts, I have ground, and then finally the white wire is a data wire. So what I'm going to connect to my digital pin on the Arduino. I'm going to use green for that. And that's it for that. So now back on the Arduino, I need to connect the 5 volts to 5 volts, just like that. I'm going to connect my blue wire to ground. And then finally my data wire, as I did in my code, is going to be attached to digital 9. So slide that into digital 9. So that's the circuit, super simple. Now I'm going to try to fit this in here, that way it doesn't wiggle around. There we go, perfect. Oh, okay, see here. Alright, there we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and power the Arduino and upload the code that we just wrote. So let's try this now. And so remember, our servo code is just going to turn it one direction and then the other and then back to the middle every 5 seconds. So there we go, we turned once, we turned again, and now it should turn to the middle. There. And then it's going to keep doing this over and over. And that's a perfect example of the servo. It's easy to use, the code is simple, the circuit is simple, and they're really fun to use.